All right, number 12 is a complex fraction. Now, there's something that I'm really particular about when I start writing out complex fractions. I like to do this on my own sheet of paper. And if I have one fraction in my problem, you guys know I turn everything into fractions. So that 4 and that 2, it's no longer just a 4 and a 2, because in type, it kind of can look like it's just floating out around there. But it's not floating, it has a denominator of 1. So I think that helps us kind of set the problem up a little easier. In my numerator, and I'm just going to work with my numerator here to start, I know I need a common denominator of x plus 2. So that's what I need to do here. So this numerator is going to end up looking like this. 4x, let's see, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 2 is 8. And then that minus 12 all over my x plus 2. And if you want to go even further there with that numerator, 8 minus 12 is negative 4. So that's our numerator dealt with. Beautiful. As simple as we can get it until we start dealing with the denominator, which we're going to do now. Now we're going to flip down to the denominator. My 2 is over 1, so in order to combine my fractions, I need a common denominator of x minus 3. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. That numerator is then plus 4 all over x minus 3. And just like I did with the top, I'm going to keep going. My 2x doesn't have any like terms there, but negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Beautiful. Now, however you like to work with fractions from here, dividing fractions, do it. So I like flip the second, and some of you like flip the second and multiply. I like this grouping situation where this is the top and this is the bottom. If you like flip the second and multiply, you are flipping that guy up so that the x minus 3 is on top. Either way, that following step looks like this. 4x minus 4 in parentheses times x minus 3 is the numerator. And the denominator is x plus 2 times 2x minus 2. Now we have a little factoring here. You always want to look for factoring. We can factor out a 4 from this, 4x minus 4. Similarly, in the denominator, we can factor out a 2, so I'm just going to switch that order. So I still have 2 binomials on top. I factored out a 4 from the 4x minus 4, a 2 from the 2x minus 2. And now I can do one last tiny bit of canceling here. I can cancel my x minus 1s. And I can make 4 over 2. This is one that sometimes we leave out because it seems so, it's kind of simple, so you forget. 4 over 2 cancels to a 2 on top. Lovely. And that is the complex fraction for number 12.